Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Today gonna share a perfect tea time snack recipe that's crispy and crunchy sabudana vada with just handful of ingredients. In this video, we'll show how you can make perfect crispy vadas without breaking while frying, not turning soggy or hard, tasting extremely delicious. So do watch the video until end, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting notified. For making sabudana vada, soaking the sabudanas rightly is very essential. So here I have taken 1 glass of sabudana, that's around 200 grams. It's also known as sago tapioca pearls. Now rinse sabudana couple of times and drain water completely. And then we proceed with soaking. Now add water until sabudana completely soaks, leaving an inch water above. As you can see here, in this way it will get well soaked and there won't be any water left. Now allow it to soak for at least 4 to 6 hours or overnight as you prefer. Now let's move on to another ingredient. So here I have taken a cup of roasted peanuts which gonna crush it roughly. Do not grind it finely as love to have small chunks of peanuts while having vadas. So here I have removed the skin and crushed it in grinder. You may also crush it in mortar and pestle. Now in the other ingredients we require a tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup of roasted peanut which is roasted and crushed, few curry leaves finely chopped. Then we require around 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour, finely chopped green chilies around 4 to 5, salt as per taste, 1 lemon, then soaked sabudana, and around 3 medium sized boiled peeled potatoes. Into the soaked sabudana, add all the ingredients one by one. Green chilies you may adjust as per your spice taste. Sabudanas are well soaked here. A quick tip on how to check whether sabudanas are perfectly soaked. Firstly, there shouldn't be any water left. Secondly, just place the sabudanas between your palm and index finger and press it. And it should crush easily. It's my sister-in-law who is preparing this recipe and trust me, it tastes extremely delicious. Once all the ingredients are added, now mix it very well. Once the spices are well combined, as you can see, now to this we're going to add boiled mashed potatoes. So here I'm going to add it in 2 parts. Adding the first part now, half first, combine it well and then add the remaining and mix it very well. It's mixed well now. Now adding the second half of the potatoes and mix it well. While combining the mixture itself, you will see how well it is getting binded. This is the perfect texture. Now to this add around 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil and give a mix again. Now everything is mixed well now. Now apply little oil on into your palm and take a big portion of the mixture and give a round flattened patty shape as shown. Now another quick tip is just before frying, try to shapen the patties and drop it in the oil one by one so that it gets evenly cooked and will save time too. Now shaping around 5 to 6 vadas at a time. Applying little oil while shaping will give a non-sticky and a smooth shapes to vadas. As sabudanas are ready, let's move ahead in frying them. So heat up sufficient oil in a kadai. Keep flame on medium. Once oil heats up, add the vadas one by one. Do not overcrowd and allow it to cook on one side. Once you see it's turned light golden on one side, now you can flip it and fry on the other side. Fry the vadas until it turns crispy golden on both the sides. If you follow these simple steps, you'll get a perfect crispy sabudana vadas without breaking in oil. As you can see, neither it turns soggy nor hard. It's crispy from outside and soft from inside and tastes absolutely awesome. You can see a perfect crispy sabudana vada is absolutely ready. See how crispy it looks? Now drain this into a paper towel and we continue with the rest. Isn't this very simple to make? Trust me, it's very crispy from outside and soft from inside and tastes absolutely delicious. Now continue frying the remaining vadas and fry until they turn crispy and golden. Hope you like this recipe. Do try and enjoy it with your loved ones. You may serve this crispy sabudana vada with your favorite chutneys or sauce and certainly a cup of adrak ki chai, that's ginger tea. Trust me, it tastes super awesome. Hope you like this recipe. If so, please hit the like button, and for more interesting and healthy videos, do subscribe and press the bell icon for getting notified. Until then, eat healthy and be happy. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.